On site, we encounter this kind of working condition. How do we use an elbow to connect it? We can use the string pulling method to solve it. First, we find the center lines of the two pipes. Then, we pull the string. The string needs to be placed on this center line. Then, this included angle is the elbow angle we need. We can use welding wire or a welding rod to bend this angle out. Then we measure the distance from the pipe mouth to this intersection point. This side is 255. This side is 185. One is 255. One is 185. Next, we draw a straight line on the ground. Place the bent welding wire we just made onto it, and draw this angle out. Then, this angle is the elbow angle we need. Then, we draw a perpendicular line here. Then, we place the 90-degree elbow on it. Aligning the two pipe mouths with the two lines, we use a string or tape measure to wrap around it and draw a line. Then, this is the special angle elbow we need. With this special angle elbow, we can calculate its center height. After calculating the center height, didn't we just measure two values earlier? One is 255, one is 185. Then we subtract the center height from each of these two values to get the net material length we need in the middle.